Welcome to a video by Abron. So these are the experimental models for showing you the working of the due to the solar light. This solar pump will work, and this is a hydroelectric power. How the power is generated by the water when you put the water inside. This moves and then this power is generated. Similarly, the windmill is for showing you the how this wind works, and when you put it on email, this all this due to the wind, the light will show. And similarly, biogas plant, you the bio as waste of the animals and other food products are put in this, and this chamber is generated. The gas will come up, and this will show you, and then the gas come out, and you can show it. These are the working model for the schools and for education. So our video is website is abronexports.com, email is abron01@gmail.com, another is info@abronexports.com, WhatsApp number is 9992222049. We have got the individual videos of all these instruments, how they are working, and we have got so many instruments available with us for all physics and labs. Thank you very much.